Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
Consumer prices dipped on average in April for the first time in a year on lower electricity rates. But the keenly watched point-to-point figure touched its highest point in 11 and a half years ahead of the Bank of Jamaica's rate decision later this week. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin recorded that prices are up 11.8% over the last 12 months to April. That's up from 11.3% in March. The point-to-point inflation up to April is the sharpest spike in prices over a 12-month period since September 2010 and likely a harbinger of even higher prices to come. Kuna Mutual, which provides life insurance through its network of credit unions in the Caribbean, completed the 3-month review for the product under which the lives of as many as 6 family members can be underwritten and restarted its offering in January 2022. While not disclosing payments actually made to clients since the novel coronavirus pandemic, Kuna Caribbean Insurance, a member of the Kuna Mutual Group based in Madison, Wisconsin, USA, indicates that in 2020 and 2021, the company has helped more than 80,000 individuals respectively in becoming more financially secure through its products.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.